Remember this, Transformers fans? Do you remember the fallen hero? Get ready for a blast from the past. Relive the tragic moment with the Super 7 Transformers Optimus Prime Fallen leader figure. This 24-inch Super Shogun action figure captures Optimus Prime's iconic death scene. The grayscale color and meticulous G1 detail will bring back memories. It's a must-have for any true Transformers enthusiast. Inspired by the classic toys of the 70s and 80s, this figure is made of blow-molded polyethylene. It features spring-loaded fists, a removable matrix of leadership, and rolling wheels. This premium collectible is the ultimate tribute to Optimus Prime's sacrifice. It's the perfect addition to your collection. Looking for the perfect gift for a Transformers fan or toy collector? This is it. Grab the Super 7 Transformers Optimus Prime Fallen leader on Amazon. Don't miss out, only a few are left. Ready to own this piece of Transformers history? Head to the Amazon product page now to grab the Super 7 Fallen leader Optimus Prime before it's gone. This is a gift they'll never forget.